Here is the secret. A high-end neutral home relies on subtle design balances that most people completely overlook. Today, we are exploring the most effective neutral interior design ideas to help you curate a space that feels warm, elevated, and deeply relaxing. Neutral palettes are timeless, but achieving that rich, modern organic look takes a clear understanding of undertones, materials, and depth. Whether you are redecorating an entire house or simply updating your living room, you are going to learn practical designer-backed strategies that transform plain rooms into textured, multidimensional spaces. Make sure to stick around until the end because our final tips reveal how to handle lighting and dark accents to elevate your entire color scheme effortlessly. Tip 1. Build depth with layered undertones. Decorating in neutral tones never means sticking to a single shade of beige or white. To create a space that feels intentional rather than washed out, you need to layer various warm and cool undertones carefully. Why does this work? Combining varying shades like soft cream, taupe, greige, and mushroom creates soft contrast and dynamic depth without overwhelming the senses. How do you apply this? Start by selecting a primary warm neutral for your walls, such as a gentle off-white with yellow or pink undertones. Then, layer furniture and soft furnishings in slightly darker or lighter tones from the same color family. One mistake many homeowners make is selecting matching stark whites for every wall, trim, and piece of furniture, which strips away all dimension and leaves the room feeling flat and clinical. Tip 2. Prioritize tactile texture layering. When you remove bold colors from a room's palette, texture must become your primary design tool. Here is why designers love texture layering in neutral spaces. Tactile materials create visual warmth and richness without breaking the calming atmosphere. Mix smooth, raw, and nubby surfaces throughout the space. Pair a soft boucle or linen sofa with a coarse wool rug, slatted wood wall panels, and smooth ceramic side tables. Try placing a chunky knit throw over a supple leather accent chair. A common pitfall is keeping every fabric smooth and synthetic. Without varying tactile surfaces, even a warm neutral room will feel cold and uninviting. Have you ever noticed this mistake in your own decorating process? Tip 3. Introduce authentic organic materials. Bringing natural, unrefined materials into your home is essential for grounding a neutral color palette. Natural materials like white oak, ash, travertine, marble, rattan, and linen carry inherent variations and imperfections that add life to a room. These subtle organic shifts break up solid fields of color naturally. To incorporate this, replace high-gloss plastic or laminate pieces with a solid light oak dining table or a honed limestone coffee table. But here's the interesting part. Raw materials develop a beautiful patina over time, making your interior feel more established and personal rather than mass-produced. Tip 4. Master scale and visual weight. In neutral space planning, how furniture occupies physical and visual space dictates whether a room feels serene or chaotic. Visual weight refers to how heavy or light an object looks based on its material, color, and size. Light-colored furniture naturally feels less dense, allowing you to use slightly larger, cozier pieces without making a room feel overcrowded. Balance a low-slung, substantial neutral sectional sofa with open-frame wooden accent chairs and floating shelves. A frequent mistake is filling a small neutral room with tall, heavy dark cabinets that slice up the visual flow and clash with the soft background. Which idea would you try first in your living area? Tip 5. Anchor with dark high-contrast accents. A common trap in neutral decorating is creating a space where everything melts together into a sea of beige. To prevent this, every well-designed neutral room needs a few calculated points of dark contrast. Black, deep bronze, or dark espresso would accents act as visual anchors, grounding the lighter surroundings and drawing the eye across the space. Apply this by using thin black metal frames for art, matte black light fixtures, or a dark charcoal vase on a light marble counter. Keep these accents small and deliberate. They should outline and define the space, not overpower the airy environment. Tip 6. Embrace the beauty of negative space. One of the greatest advantages of adopting neutral interior design ideas is the quiet sense of freedom it gives your layout. Negative space, or the empty area around furniture and decor, allows your visual field to rest. When a neutral room is crowded with unnecessary decor, the calming effect of the color palette is completely lost. Resist the urge to fill every shelf or blank corner. Leave generous margins around wall art, allow breathing space on tabletop surfaces, and maintain clear walkway paths. Giving your furniture room to breathe highlights the quality of your key pieces and makes your layout feel expansive. Tip 7. Optimize natural light and warm ambience. Light interacts with neutral shades far more dynamically than it does with saturated colors. 'Cause neutral paint and fabrics reflect light so effectively, controlling your lighting scheme is critical. During the day, maximize natural light by using sheer linen window treatments that diffuse sunlight gently throughout the room. For evening ambience, avoid harsh cool-toned overhead bulbs. Instead, layer warm ambient lamps, around 2700 K, at various heights to cast a soft, golden glow across your textured surfaces. Would this warm lighting approach work in your current home setup? Tip 8. Highlight sculptural forms and focal points. When visual interest isn't driven by bright colors, form and silhouette take center stage. Curved furniture, architectural arches, and handcrafted sculptural decor become powerful focal points in a neutral home. Choose a curved sofa, a round pedestal dining table, or asymmetrical ceramic vessels. These fluid shapes break up rigid straight lines and add a sophisticated, modern, organic feeling to the room. A classic mistake is keeping every piece of furniture boxy and rectangular, which makes a neutral palette feel rigid and uninspired. Tip 9. Incorporate subtle earth-toned greenery. Connecting your neutral interior to nature reinforces a peaceful, grounded environment. While vibrant neon flowers might clash with a serene neutral backdrop, muted earthy botanicals fit seamlessly. Add a tall potted olive tree, dried eucalyptus branches in a stoneware jug, or a structured ficus in a clay pot. The soft green and sage tones complement warm creams and light woods effortlessly, bringing subtle organic energy into your space without disrupting the calm atmosphere. Creating a stunning home with refined neutral interior design ideas is all about balancing texture, light, tone, and form. By layering diverse undertones, embracing natural woods and stones, anchoring with subtle dark accents, and giving your layout room to breathe, you can craft a space that feels timeless, tranquil, and deeply inviting. Remember, a great neutral interior is never boring. It is an intentional canvas designed for real, peaceful living. If you found these interior design principles helpful, please hit the like button. It helps the channel immensely. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell notification so you never miss our upcoming room guides and styling tips. I would love to know, how do you keep your neutral space from feeling flat? Drop your thoughts and favorite ideas in the comments below. And if you want to keep discovering small space and layout tricks, check out the next video on your screen right now. Thank you for watching and happy designing!